if x equal to p into secant theta and y equal to q tan theta. Then here given 4 options. Okay, x equal to p into secant theta. Secant theta equal to x by p. This is equation 1. Next, y equal to q tan theta. Tan theta equal to y by p. Y by q. Okay, into q comes to this side. This is y by q. Okay, see options. All options. X square, y square. These expressions are in square terms. Okay, so squaring on both sides. X square, x by p whole square. It is x square by p square equal to secant square theta. Next equation. Squaring on both sides. Y square by q square equal to tan square theta. Okay, this is equation 3. Equation 4. 3 minus 4 equal to x square by p square minus y square by q square equal to x square by p square is secant square. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, we know trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, this value equal to 1. Remaining x square by p square minus y square by q square equal to 1. Take LCM. LCM is p square into q square. P square into q square. This is here we have p square. We have to get p square into q square. So multiply with q square. This is x square into q square. Y square into, here we don't have p square. So multiply with p square. P square into y square, which is equal to 1. X square q square minus y square p square equal to, comes to this side, p square into q square. See options. Option 4. Option D is correct. X square into q square minus y square p square equal to p square into q square. Okay. Next example. Cos A power 4 minus sin A whole to the power 4. Okay. Here given 4 options. Given cos 4a minus sin power 4a. Sin a power 4. Okay. We know this is cos square a whole to the power square minus sin a sin square a whole to the power 2. Okay. See, a square minus b square. Okay. We know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Write in this form. Here a equal to cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole to the power of 2. Okay. Here a equal to cos square a, b equal to sin square a. Okay. So a plus b is cos square a plus sin square a into cos square a minus b. Cos square a minus sin square a. Okay. We know trigonometric identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay. Trigonometric identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay. This value equal to 1 into cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, 1 into cos square a minus sin square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Here cos square a, write it as cos square a, write as it is, minus sin square a. Sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, 1 minus cos square a. This is cos square a minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square a. Okay, minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square a, cos square a. It is 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, here we get 2 cos square a minus 1. See options. 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, option D is correct. Next example, if x into sin cube theta plus y into cos cube theta equal to sin theta into cos theta, here given, and x into sin theta equal to y into cos theta. Okay, here given two equations. First one is x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. Okay, x sin cube theta, write it as x into sin theta into sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta into sin theta equal to sin cube theta, y into cos theta into cos square theta equal to y cos cube theta, sin theta into cos theta. Okay, we know y cos theta equal to x sin theta. Y cos theta equal to x sin theta. Okay, x sin theta into sin square theta, y cos theta equal to x sin theta. Okay, x sin theta into cos square theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. Okay, here x sin theta is common. X sin theta, first term is sin square theta, second term cos square theta. We know trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, x sin theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. Here sin theta get cancelled, x equal to cos theta. Okay, x equal to cos theta. Next, here given next equation, x sin theta equal to y cos theta. X sin theta equal to y cos theta. We know x value equal to cos theta into sin theta equal to y cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled, y equal to sin theta. Okay, we know x and y values. Here we have to find x square plus y square. Okay, x square is cos square theta, y square is y equal to sin theta, y square is sin square theta. Okay, we have to find x square plus y square, which is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value equal to 1. Okay, we get, therefore we get x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, see options. Option C, is 1. Okay, option C is correct.